Hello, my name is Sergio Hernandez. I am doing another video for my microbiology class. That's Biology 225, I believe. Today is going to be day after Thanksgiving, so it's Friday the 23rd of November here. And today we're going to be doing a couple little tests. We're going to be doing methyl red on some broths that I worked here with. And we're also going to be doing the Voges-Proskauer test as well. Well, anyways, let's get started with the methyl red test. So we had two broths, so we went ahead and we incubated a couple days ago. We had the S. epidermidis and also the E. coli. We went ahead and inoculated these, and we went and put them into our incubation area for our last 2 days. Now we're going to go ahead. I went ahead and split them already. I put half in each test tube. I went ahead and made sure we had clean test tubes. I went ahead and cleaned them out really good, dried them out really good, and now we have half of each broth. So I got 2 of each. This is just an extra one that I just didn't throw away yet. So what first we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put, I believe, 7 drops of methyl red in each one of these. And if it's a positive test, they're going to turn kind of a pinkish red color, and then we'll go ahead and see what happens. After that, with the second tube, I'm going to go ahead and put both of these. We're going to do Barrett's A followed by Barrett's B. I believe it's going to be a total of 12 drops and 4 drops, I believe. And then we're going to wait about 30 minutes. We're going to mix it up a little bit, and we're going to let it sit undisturbed for about 30 minutes. If it is a positive test, which is basically means that it detects acetone in it, then it will make like a red surface on it after the 30 minutes of it sitting there. So let's go ahead and get started with the methyl red. I went ahead and clipped the tip of this thing, and we're going to go ahead and start and add 7 drops in each one. So we'll start with the E. coli. We got E. coli 1. And we have E. coli 2, so let's put these 2 over here, which are going to be your second test, and then we have 1 of each here in our first test. So we're going to add, we said 7 drops, so let's start with the E. coli. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more, 7. So that's our first one. Let's add 7 to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in our E. coli, doesn't look like it did a whole lot. It's not turning red, so I'm gonna go. This one was negative and it didn't grow, which I had a lot of colonies on my plate, so I'm not sure why this one did not really do much for us. So that one I'm going to say is a negative, but this one turned red very nicely, and you can clearly see it is a positive. So let's go ahead and do our second test here. And our first one, again, we're going to go ahead and do the Barrett's. So let's go ahead and take this off. That's our Barrett's A. And this is our Barrett's B. So for the Barrett's A, we're going to put 12 drops in each one. And then we're going to add 4 drops. So let's go ahead and put this methyl red here. Let's make sure we have Barrett's B, which Barrett's A. So we said first the 12 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We're going to go ahead and slightly mix that. Now we're going to go ahead and add 4 drops of the B. 1, 3, and 4. let's go ahead and this is our second one. We're going to do the 12 original drops first also. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You can see it does turn it kind of cloudy. I'm going to do 4 drops of this. This is bigger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see, okay, so we're going to go ahead and let those two sit for 30 minutes. Right now it is 3:12, so we're going to go ahead after that. We'll go ahead and see what kind of results we have. So I'll go ahead and document that, take pictures of all this, and then put that into my lab assistant, and we'll see what happens. So thank you very much, and see you next video.